Tap water contains disinfectants such as chlorine, and sometimes different traces of pollution, microbes or other contaminants such as metals, chemicals. There are different devices for filtering water, but they do not store water in the fridge. Drink at home, office, walk. This video explains how to easily filter tap water, store it properly, or transport system with ultrafiltration water device, Ufwd, AIO. Many water filtration devices exist. Some for home, some for hiking or mountain walks. Filter jugs are widespread, there are many brands and models. But it does filter only chlorine and traces of pollutants. You can transfer the filtered water from the jug into another bottle to drink on the outside. But this is not practical and clean. You can buy very expensive bottles plastic water thinking they are better for health. It surely pollute the planet a little more. All these solutions are incomplete. They cannot store water in safe manner just before drinking. After filtration, recontamination can appear again. The organization International UNESCO draws our attention in Valley Tula report on new water contaminants. Water filtration stations made many controls on the quality of the filtered water. They control pH, temperature, the presence of microbes and bacteria. They do not control the presence of chemical pollution with nitrates, pesticides, arsenic, pollution by metals with aluminum, lead or mercury pollution, and the new emergent drug residues specifically, endocrine disruptor, antibiotic and antibiotic. These pollutants are however very dangerous for our health long term. According to the UNESCO report, in the world every day, 12,000 new chemicals are invented. Some are very dangerous, no control over their presence in nature is done. Boiling contaminated water at 100 degrees for 10 minutes allows to neutralize bacteria and virus, but the water still contains traces of chemicals, metals and medicines. Boiling has no effect on these traces of pollution which are very dangerous for our health. Ultrafiltration, UF, is a filtration or a liquid through a membrane with a pressure differential. We filled the water tank. One pump for feeding air into the reservoir. Air pushes the water through the filter membranes. Water is filtered in a few minutes. Filtered water is stored and safe from further pollution in the tank tight. Simply pour water into the glass just before drinking. Filter is composed of two ceramic membranes. Walls of these membranes are 0.1 microns. 0.1 micron equals 10 to 6 meters equals 0.000001 m equals 0.001 millimeters. Thinness of the walls can stop all molecules larger, pollen, algae, parasites, bacteria, viruses, germs and large organic molecules. Inside filter, nanoparticles do the work of purifying water through a chemical reaction or oxidation reduction reaction in which redox product has an exchange of electrons. This chemical reaction allows to neutralize the ions of metals, chemicals, and major pollutants. Minerals and trace elements, essential to our diet, are not affected by the nanoparticles and the redox reaction. They are always present in the water after treatment. By the AIO filtration on demand bottle to fight global warming. This video explains how to easily filter tap water, store it properly, or transport system with ultrafiltration water device, Ufwd, AIO. We must become the change we want to see. Gandhi.